Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the grille on a Jeep Wrangler. This one is a 2011 model, but it's the same for all JKs, which is from 2007 all the way until 2015 present. So what you need to do, of course, you need to open the hood with the latches and just lift it up. And now right here, that's the grille. So what do we need to do? There is 6 clips like that right here. What you need to do is just pull it up. Those sometimes tend to get stuck. You pull the cord and then you pull the clip like that. So we have 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. Okay, we're removing the last one right now. And now all we need to do is just pull the grille. It clips a little bit and you just pull it out of there. And right now the only thing that's holding it, or those are the clips I was telling you about, and the only thing holding it is the turn signals right there. So if you need to replace the turn signal bulb, that's how you do it. You unscrew it, you go to the right clockwise about 90 degrees and you pull it out of there. I thank you guys for watching us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.